Hello everyone, today we will see tutorial number 9. Go to CAD, start, mechanical design, part design, give the name as tutorial 9, click on OK. Select the sketch tool and select XY plane where you are going to draw your sketch. Select profile tool from the profile toolbar and draw the sketch. So once you have drawn the sketch, give the constraints. So this is going to be 10. This is going to be 8. This would be 36. So this would be 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 15, 60. Now for the remaining lengths, from here this would be having a length of 20. And from here this would be having a length of 30, the slanting line. So select that line. I have to give the length as in horizontal direction. So right click on the dimension, change the dimension direction to horizontal measure direction. Now double click on the dimension to change the dimensions value as 30 and then click on OK. Now exit workbench, select pad tool from the sketch features toolbar. Over here I am going to select mirror extend. So the depth of this is going to be 40. So once you are given the value of 20 and selecting mirror extend, totally you will be having a depth of 40. So that is for the first limit it will be 20 and second limit will also be 20. Total of 40 the thickness. Click on preview and OK. Now select this top face, go to sketch. Now select the profile tool from the profile toolbar and draw your sketch. Now this line and this edge must be coincident. To make it coincident, go to constraint defined in a dialog box, select coincident, give OK. Likewise this line and then this edge must be coincident. Go to constraint defined in a dialog box, give coincident, click on OK. Now we have to give the dimensions. So the dimensions would be 15, 8, 15. So this is going to be 15. This is 8, the vertical line, and this line is going to be 15 again. Now exit workbench, select pocket tool from the sketch features and give the dimension as 30, since the depth is up to 10 from here. So the total depth is 40, 40 minus 10, it will be 30. Click on preview and now OK. Now go to reference elements, select plane. I am going to create a offset plane from the YZ plane. Select YZ plane. I am going to offset the plane at a distance of 15 mm. Click on OK. Now select this plane, go to sketch, select project 3D elements. Now project this edge, rotate and project this edge. Now to make this again normal, go to view toolbar and select normal view. Now select profile tool, draw the sketch and give the dimensions. This is going to be 30. Now exit workbench, select pocket tool, so depth of this cut is going to be 20, so give 20, click on preview. It is coming in the opposite direction, so click on this direction to change the pocket's direction. Now click preview, OK.